Hello, everybody. Welcome to English with Alina. In this lesson, we practice prepositions at, on, and in with time words. Many English learners confuse these prepositions. Can you say in Monday, at May, on 5 p.m.? No. In this exercise, you will practice to say it correctly. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this exercise, we learn that at goes with time and the word night. On goes with day of the week. In goes with a month, season. And article the plus part of the day. So let's try to use the following words correctly. May, 5 p.m., Monday. It starts in. In goes with a month, season, or the plus part of the day. May is a month. In May. It starts in May. She works on 5 p.m. or on Monday. Monday, day. On Monday. She works on Monday. They close at goes with time, 5 p.m. I sleep at night, winter, Sunday. At night. At goes with the word night. At night. I sleep at night. They are off on winter or on Sunday. 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 They are off on Sunday. It snows in winter. Winter is a season. In winter. It snows in winter. It opens at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. is time. At 8 a.m. It opens at 8 a.m. It starts in month, season, and the plus. We have the morning. In the morning. In the morning. It starts in the morning. Let's go out on. Now you know what goes here. You have 5 seconds to complete this sentence and tell me why you chose this answer. I'm going to the comments right now to see who got it right.